Actually, I'm super excited about this. My cute little backpack from Claire's. Isn't she pretty? I just love it. The moment I saw that, I just wanted to get it because look at it. So cute and so handy. I really wanted to keep my essentials in it. So let's find out what I kept in this backpack. Couple of stuff that I'm really excited about and I really carry it around wherever I'm going. Those can fit in here. So let's just get started. I want this backpack to reveal everything that it has kept inside. So I'm just picking from here and it is not going to be in any sequence. The first stuff is this, the Balm Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow. I love it because of its cooling sensation, and of course it is that one and done kind of product that I just enjoy putting on my lid. That's what I'm wearing today, and it's just a beautiful icy cool mauve purpley kind of color, which is very pretty during snow time and during summertime and springtime. So I can totally wear it almost throughout the year, and it has got that beautiful sensation and dazzling feel on the lid. Every time I just feel like putting something on, but especially when I'm feeling a little tired, it just picks up the mood, and it is very beautiful on the lids. And I cannot stress enough on the fact that it is absolutely cooling. So if you have tried it, you know what I'm talking about here. It's absolutely cooling, and let me just show you. It is really amazing, dazzling, and a fun way to instantly add a little pop on the lid. Icy cool purple, and it just goes very well with the snow, and it just goes very well with the spring softness and the summer beautiful dazzling sunny vibe. So it has got you covered, and I feel that I'm wearing something like moonlight on my lid whenever I put this on. So that just lives in my essential makeup bag, and I'm so happy with this one, guys. I am really absolutely excited about it. I love cool miniature kind of things, and I keep adding those things. And this one is amazing because it is quite handy to keep all the essentials that I want in my makeup bag whenever I'm on the go or whenever I'm just going for a quick fix. Most of the time it comes handy when I just want to go for a touch-up, a quick fix. These are the products that are my quick fix touch-up products. My cool guys, which can get me covered in any quick moment where I just want to feel my best without doing much. That's my first product from the Balm Cosmetics. Let's see what comes in next. Actually, let me get this out of the way. This is very essential stuff from Laura Mercier. I just love this puff because whenever I am in a hurry and I just want, as I said, a touch-up, I love to use this puff. It is very soft, and I just can put my finger like this for my touch-up under eye. If I want to spread my product, powder, which is coming next, this comes very handy. This is also a cute little puff that I have, and everything that will come out of this bag, I guess it is in the cute category and in a quick fix category. So that is done. I did not count how many products are in there. I just kept the things that I would want on the go. Laura Mercier, cute little stuff. The Laura Mercier powder, which is very popular, very effective, very lightweight and buttery. So every time I put this on, I hardly can see any fine line. So this one is my sample, and I really love to keep it handy because it's very easy to carry. It just does the job instantly. It just freshens up the whole look, and I find it very effective anytime. And just like that, it can go on your under eye. Even if you're trying and applying it on top of your makeup, you're doing touch up, something is missing, something got skipped, it just can't manage everything. So I just love it, and it is like my mirror free kind of powder. I don't even have to, it just meshes with the skin. It just goes on easily and meshes with the skin. So that's my product number 3. Counting with you, count with me. Number 4, I just want to show you this cute little bag. again and again because I just love to share these kind of stuff with all of you. So this is like a makeup related video, but not exactly the makeup video. I wanted to share this stuff with all of you, and if you can find it, check it out, you might like it. So it is a keychain as well. Actually it is that, but I'm using it in my way and I'm really loving it. Next product, number 4, is my Hourglass concealer. It's a self-setting kind of concealer, goes on easily. I don't even have to set it with powder. If I don't want to, I don't have to. The shade match is just so perfect that I don't have to worry about it going way out of my skin color. So it just matches my skin tone so beautifully that I can put it on even if I have the whole face of makeup. I really want that brightening back. I can just go on with this one in a light way and dab it with my finger and will stay put. So that's why I keep it handy for quick touch up. Love this product. And as I said, the Laura Mercier powder and this, it makes a perfect, beautiful couple in my kit. Next product, balm. Lip balms, I love to keep them handy. Something which is moisturizing and locks in the hydration and of course gives some tint. I am very happy with this one, as you can see, and I can keep posting pictures of this beautiful Gucci product on Instagram. That's my Instagram account, somaroy.chaudhary. If you are not following me yet, now is the time, my friend. Check out the profile. And I posted a couple of beautiful pictures. This color is Renee Pink and I really love to put this on. And there are 2 more products, 2 more lip balmy kind of products that I love to keep handy. And one of those products may be a surprising element for you, so stay tuned. Okay, so that is the lip balm I love to keep in this bag. My YSL shade number 30 has got a beautiful reddish tinge to it, and this one has a corally tinge to it, and I just love to keep both handy because it depends on the makeup mode and the makeup vibe and of course the occasion. So it's good for me to keep these colors handy. It goes on pretty easily. It does not go opaque red. It is a very beautiful raspberry kind of red, and it just melts into the lip. This one. And this one has got the coral kind of touch. Perfect for any kind of look. Like if you are going smoky on your eyes, I just trust this one so much that I don't have to, think about mirror is nearby or something like that. I don't even have to carry mirror with me if I don't want to. I just can snap it on, put it on, and just goes on beautifully. And I use this on my cheek as well, and this one as well. You can apply this on your eyelids as well. That's what the Gucci website says, and I have done it. It gives a nice subtle hue of color on the lid when you do not want it. Feels like a cream eyeshadow. So that is a multi-purpose product. That's why I just love it and feels amazing, luxurious, of course. And this one I love to put it on, and whenever I put it on my lips, it just I just want to put it on my cheek. It smells beautifully, it goes on beautifully on the skin, and of course it has got that beautiful mango butter feel to it. Cheeks look really plumped up. Yeah, so you can see that's what I'm wearing today, and it is absolutely stunning. I just love to keep it handy all the time. Okay, so now I think this is the second last product, and that's coming from Revlon. These are the Revlon butters, and it's like shine on, beautiful shine on, and that is what I'm wearing on my lips today. Perfect shine, feels like a balm. And look at the color. I chose this color because I wanted to go for this one. I wanted something, and both the products together, I got both the products together, so I wanted something which can complement this one. So I love these two together. I have a video on that if you want to take a look at that. It's really beautiful. I think the video's name is Makeup Playtime from Shoppers, so I will link that video down below. It just complements each other very much, don't you think so? So I love these shine on Revlon lipsticks very much. It's like a beautiful glassy finish, glassy shine, and very buttery, very supple, soft lips after I apply this one. So that is my product number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last but not least, a mascara. And most of the time I go for something which comes in a sample, and if I like that sample, I really keep it handy. So today I'm going to share something with you which I got as a sample, and I got it from Sephora. So that's where I'm keeping my mascara, and this is my RMS Beauty mascara. I was trying it. Guys, if you have tried it, share experience with me on the comments below. This is an amazingly scented mascara. First time I have experienced a floral scent in a mascara. I love the wand of it. It's a sample size, but still look at the size of it. It just goes very beautifully, cushiony, and love it because it gives me a nice volume and it goes very easily on the roots, near the roots. So when I want to go for any kind of eye look, I want a beautiful dramatic mascara. I just love it. For some days I just kept it behind the scene, and actually I was missing it. So that says something, right? So I really am enjoying this one. And of course I've got a couple of more like Charlotte Tilbury mascara, Giorgio Armani, and my all-time favorite, L'Oreal, yes, Lash Paradise. So those are the stuff that I want to keep in here. So that's, I just love this whole vibe of this bag. This gold, rose gold chain goes smoothly, no stuck kind of feel, very beautiful. And of course all the products that will go in. Perfect 8. So those are the products that are my makeup essential. Of course I am a makeup lover. I love to try different products. I have got a beautiful collection and I just love to layer on products. That is absolutely amazing. And also on those days when I just want to go for minimal look, or as I said, I just want to carry it for quick fix or touch up, perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm very glad that I get to share these things with all of you there, beauty lovers, makeup lovers. That's an amazing connection, and I would love that, yes, if you subscribe to the channel and connect with me, and also leave your thoughts, share your thoughts with me on the comment section, and like the video if you really enjoyed this stuff here on my channel. Thank you so much for connecting with me again, and I will see you soon. Bye.